This your main man, Keep It Clean Ray, coming back with another vid. Got another little something. I'm feeling this Nike box. So I think on September the 1st I ordered these. My buddy gave me a tip. My boy One-Zo gave me a tip. Y'all know One-Zo, that's my co-star, and I'll show everybody grown. We gotta get back to doing that. They gave me a little heads up. I was working out, hitting the weights and stuff. And he had them text me like, did you see the drops? This what I just caught. That's the shit going on there and see what these things looking like. There's some Jordans. Jordan 1 Low SC. Champagne coconut milk. But I think these the Easter Pastel. So here we are at the end of the summer, getting ready to go in the fall season, and we got Easter color Jordan 1. And yeah, everything hit a little different. I said, okay, I'll try it out. But since I ain't got to worry about paying no resale for this junk, well, yeah. Kind of cool. So you got all these little pastel colors like Easter. I might have a little fun with these, man. These things kind of hit a little different. Material's a little better than the regular Jordan 1 lows that we've been accustomed to getting. They got kind of like that dunk leather. But yeah, these things kind of cool, man. I could dig this. It's a different little vibe. We'll do a how to style video neither, man. Shit, I ain't gonna put on no Easter colors right now. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this one in the vault till the perfect time comes, and then just bring them out. People like, man, what are those? Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to get them because they'll be off the market. But yeah, these things cool, man. My shoestrings already dirty. Crazy. Like somebody been wearing them. It's all low. They kind of hit different. I wonder how they look as they age. A lot of time with these Jordan 1s, that's what it's all about, man. Getting the ones that kind of give you that timeless look as you go with them. You know what I'm saying? Because you're supposed to wear your sneakers. These cool, you just want to collect and cash out on the end, but you're a real sneakerhead. You gotta wear your sneakers, I'm sorry. Don't just exploit the culture and just buy them up, man. Wear them. If you don't want to wear them, then give them to somebody, let them wear them. But yeah. This ain't nothing but a little quick little video, man. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Keep checking me out, man. Tell me what you think about this. Is it something you about? Or too many colors? I think I can find these on right now. But yeah, this your main man, Keep It Clean, man.
Better step back when you get slapped. I mean that, I seen that. Nigga right hit your hard, make your queen laugh. With your green ass, get no pass, pull a strap, and that's your ass. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah.